Hi friends, I'm continuing my discussion about ICE. ICE is hot these days. In this video, I'm specifically going to speak about who they are targeting. Stay tuned. Friends, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing to McBean Immigration Law TV. And go ahead and hit that notification bell if you've not yet done so, because you want to be the first to get wind of my videos each week. Friends, as I've said in my opening, in my intro, ICE is really hot during this time. Why is ICE so hot? ICE is hot because President Trump has placed a huge emphasis on interior enforcement. When I say interior, I mean within the United States. Now, ICE has been around for a long time, since 2002. It was created under President George Bush after 9/11. But they've basically been under the radar doing their job for years until President Trump became president and placed this emphasis on the crackdown of immigrants within the United States. Now, they have a $6 billion budget. You should know that. They do have a very large budget to do their work. And so their work, their mission, as stated on their website, is to protect America from the cross-border crime and illegal immigration that threatens national security and public safety. So this whole emphasis on public safety makes sense because, again, it is a law enforcement agency. Now, who are they targeting? Firstly, they're targeting people who have committed very serious crimes. If you go on their website, friends, they have an ICE most wanted list, and it'll give you the chills. It will give you the chills because people have committed some very serious crimes. And so they're going after those people. They're also going after people who have committed other crimes, right? Crimes that do not make it to their most wanted list. Some of those crimes may very well be a misdemeanor, such as a crime against a child, or like child endangerment here in New York, which is a misdemeanor, or domestic violence offenses, or drug offenses, drug possession, which is a very serious offense. They're going after people who have committed those types of crimes. Thirdly, they're going after people who have a final order of removal that was issued by an immigration judge. These are people who are still here, and despite the fact that they have this final removal order, or they may have left and came back in. So they're focusing on those individuals as well. And then lastly, there's this big pot of people, right? A very general category known as immigration violators. Immigration violators may be people who have committed fraud or misrepresentation in applying for a green card or naturalization, or people who are just basically here in an unlawful status. You might be saying to yourself, that is a huge pot. You may very well be in that pot, right? And so if you're thinking, well, Attorney McBean, how could they find me if I'm in this very big pot with millions of other people? And I would say this to you, again, they are a law enforcement agency. They have tools that we know about and tools that we certainly don't know about, right? Meaning they have data. They have data. Data is supplied from many different sources, friends, whether nowadays data is being supplied through social media. So be careful about your social media presence. Data is supplied when you apply for a benefit to the government and you may have been denied. And so they know that this individual is here and he or she does not have a lawful status as of today. So friends, they have their ways. Again, in summary, as a law enforcement agency, they're going after people who they believe have violated our immigration laws. Particularly, they're focusing on the 4 categories of people that we just talked about. Friends, in my next video, I'm going to speak about expedited removal because that's connected to all of this. So stay tuned for that video, and thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.